Hi, welcome to the battery shop. Today we're going to be replacing the 12-volt battery on a 2018 Land Rover Discovery. The battery is located here, in the trunk on the passenger side. Let's get into it. To access the battery, remove the mats or any protective coverings, rotate this dial clockwise and remove panel 1, then push down to remove panel 2 to access the battery. While wearing gloves and safety glasses, using a 10mm wrench, loosen the fastener on the negative terminal clamp. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the negative cable clamp from the negative terminal and set off to the side. Then, turn to the positive terminal, remove the cover, and using the same 10mm socket, remove the positive terminal. And remove the lead wire from the positive cable block. Then remove the vent tube from the side of the battery. Using a 13mm wrench, remove the 4 bolts for the battery's hold down. Using a 10mm socket and extension, remove the final 2 fasteners from the top of the battery. Once the fasteners are all removed, remove the battery retainer by pulling it towards you. To remove the battery, slide it towards the rear and carefully lower onto the deck. Next, reinstall the new battery. Reinsert the vent tube. Reinstall the battery retainer. And then reinstall and tighten the fasteners. And tighten the 4 fasteners on the hold down mount. Next, reinstall the lead wire to the positive terminal mount, then attach the terminal mount to the positive terminal on the battery. Then using your 10mm socket, tighten both bolts. Replace the positive terminal cap. Loosen the negative nut as far as it will go, then using a flathead screwdriver, separate the 2 parts of the terminal. This will allow you to fully seat the cable clamp onto the battery terminal. Reattach the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten the fastener. finally, reinstall the trim panels to secure the battery. For more install videos and tips on battery maintenance, please visit our YouTube channel on The Battery Shop or visit our website autobatteries.com.